What's up everybody? Alex from AD Detail, Auto and Marine Detailing, located in central Wisconsin. Next to me I have a project that we're gonna get started on this week, and it's a 2024 AMG G63, also known as the G-Wagon. This AMG is gonna be receiving a total protection package from us. This includes SunTech matte paint protection film on the entire body. This has a factory matte or satin finish, which is something that you're gonna wanna protect because you can't repair light scuffs or scratches, as you can't buff or polish them out, it will create a shine. We're also gonna be installing ExoShield Windshield protection film. This has a pretty blunt windshield that offers not much deflection, making it vulnerable for rock chips and sandblasting. We're going to cover all of the glass in ceramic window tint, which offers shade, UV protection, and blocks IR heat caused by the sun. We're going to finish off the job with Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra Ceramic Coating on the exterior, and this is going to be covered on all the wheels, glass, paint protection film, giving it that awesome final finish, making it super easy to maintain and wash. So stay with us and let's get through it. All right, we got the G-Wagon all prepped and ready for paint protection film. We started out the job by giving the vehicle a thorough deep cleaning. Although it is new to the owner, it is a slightly used vehicle, so it had dust and debris stuck to it and in all the nooks and crannies that we had to make sure we removed. That way it didn't get underneath the film during installation. After we got through that process, we went through and got the ExoShield on and the window tint on. So while that is sitting, drying, and curing, we're gonna get over to our pattern area, get those designed and cut it out and ready to install. We're just wrapping up our big project on the G-Wagon. We got the whole exterior wrapped in that matte paint protection film, which was a very good match to the factory matte. I believe it's dark olive magno is their color. It matched perfectly, which was awesome. So it kept that look, but yet we added a ton of protection for it. So we coated the entire exterior of the vehicle in our Gtechniq Ceramic Coating System on the various parts, and got the ExoShield installed, which wasn't too hard to do, but definitely worth it on a vehicle like this. Like I had mentioned, that it's kind of a magnet for issues. And then of course the finishing touch with the ceramic window film that protects the interiors and gives it that cool look. So these AMG G63s have a V8 bi-turbo engine in them. I want to say it's their flagship engine as far as their big horsepower engine. So they put them in a couple different models, but they sound amazing. They run 577 horse and 600 some foot-pounds of torque. So they definitely have a little snort behind them. This one in particular isn't like the fastest one in the world. It's not like it's a race car, but it does run 0 to 60 in a little over 4 seconds, I believe. So pretty neat setup they have here. They handle well, they have off-road capabilities with a ton of luxury. So everybody's heard of the G-Wagon, and it's for good reason. They're amazing vehicles. So if you guys want to like, subscribe, comment of any vehicles that you guys want to see done in our videos, and we'll do what we can to get to them. So I appreciate you guys watching, and catch you next time.